super fun, super colorful look for Pride Month. This was such a fun look to create. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and let's begin. So for today, I'm going to be using these two palettes, the Zulu palette and my usual Karity matte palette. You really only need to use one because both of these have rainbow colors. Some colors are brighter in this palette and some colors are brighter in this palette. So I just use whichever one's brighter. No one hates it more than me. Okay, hate's a strong word. No one dislikes it more than me when I'm watching a makeup video and they use like 5 different palettes for one look. Especially if it's like a neutral look. I'm like, do you really need to use 5 palettes? But really, you just need one palette for this look. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with this purple and a flat definer, and I'm going to basically make a wing and drag it in. And I'm basically just going to create my own like crease shape. Okay, that looks crazy. We're just going to softly blend it out. And we're just going to leave that as our outline for now. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Karity matte palette and I'm going to be taking Lumbia, this pink, and we're going to put just a tiny amount above the purple. Okay, I'm going to take that same purple and just put it on the outer third. I'm going to be using NYX's Jumbo Pencil. Mine's all beat up, but you're going to need a white base so that the rainbow colors can pop. Don't put this on with your tweezers. This is just how I got it out. Just use a regular brush. Oh, why is my eye watering? This is hard to do because my eyes are like 2 different shapes. Okay, so for the inner color, we're going to do a yellow, and I'm going to be using the yellow from the Karity matte palette. Again, I'm using both these palettes for a specific color because the yellow in here is brighter and the orange in here is brighter. So we're basically doing Roy G. Biv, the rainbow, this way. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Okay, so now we're going to take that red and put that in the outer corner. I'm doing these two first just so I know how much orange to put in the middle. Okay, now we're going to use the orange from the Zulu palette. I'm going to go back in with that yellow and drag it towards the orange. I'm going to go in with the winged liner brush and just draw a line with that purple above all these colors. Okay, so we're not going to blend it out. I'm just going to softly blend the pink. I'm not adding any more color to my brush. I'm just going to blend this out. This is not a good time for my eyes to be watering. I swear this eye just never wants to work with me. Okay, so for the inner part of the lash line, we're going to be using this green, and then right beside that green, we're going to be using this blue. And I keep losing that purple because my eyes just want to keep watering. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with some gems. I bought these from Michael's. If only these were stickers, because this is going to be such a bitch to put on every single one. So what I'm going to do is take some glitter glue. I'm going to dip an eyeliner brush in there, like a pointed one. And then I'm just going to dot that on the gem. And you should put these on while the glue is still tacky so that you can move them around. That looks centered. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with NYX's Silver Glitter Liner. And I'm just going to use the gem as like my outline where to start. I'm just going to draw a short line. Let's stop like right there. Ow, my back. Okay, so next I'm going to put the gems in a line. This is going to take forever, so bear with me. So just place it on really quickly. You don't have to wait till the glue is tacky. Just so you can move it around, it will stay stuck to your face. So don't worry about it not drying too quickly. This is what happens when your eyebrows are not twins. Look how high that eyebrow is. I know this is gonna fall on the floor and I'm gonna lose it forever. I think this look is pretty cute already. I definitely would wear this if I went to like some kind of pride parade. I've only went to one like a long time ago, like in 2011 in Toronto. That was such a fun day. Obviously the parade part was fun, but what made it even more fun was that I was wearing this t-shirt that said free hugs. And I got a lot of free hugs that day. And it was such a cool feeling. A lot of people didn't even ask. They just came up straight to me and hugged me. And I was like, oh my gosh, thank you. Imagine how much nicer and like sweeter the world would be if you could just all hug each other. I know everyone wants their personal space and everything, but still, like if you just saw someone sad, how nice it would be if you could just hug someone without being hit. But yeah, I had like over 10 people come up and hug me. We were at the subway. I was visiting my best friend in Toronto. We were at the subway and this one guy kind of stopped me and he was like, what? And I was like, what? You know, I was waiting for him to come and give me a hug. And he's like, oh, I thought that said free drugs. And I was like, no man, I don't have any drugs with me. And he's like, okay, well, can I have a hug? And I was like, yeah, sure. That's what I'm here for. I swear, I know I still have that shirt somewhere. No, but really, like, not to go too deep, but wouldn't the world just be such a nicer place if everyone just gave everyone hugs all the time? But the world isn't sparkles and rainbows like my eyes. And I feel like we did come a long way since then, since 2011. I mean, gay marriage got legalized here. I know there's still a long way to go, but I really do believe we made some progress. I mean, my best friend got married last year, but yeah, I still feel like we have a long way to go. Okay, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Let's add one more, a pink. Okay, so next for lashes, I'm going to be using xoBeauty's Glamourista. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to try both a nude and a bold lip. So for the nude lip, I'm going to be using xoBeauty's Deja Vu. Over that nude, I'm going to be using Dose of Colors Over the Top Gloss. So I asked my gay best friend what lip color I should do with this rainbow look, and she said like a nude with a gold gloss or something, because apparently this rainbow is too gay for her. Just kidding, she's like the most colorful rainbow lover ever. So you can see what this looks like with the nude. You know, this look is if you're like going to church. So if you're wearing this in church and you're like, oh crap, I have to get to the Pride Parade after this. And that's when you switch into the next lipstick color. Okay, so this is the look with the nude lip. So nude or teal or nude. This is totally giving me deja vu because I did this in my first makeup video. So red or nude or red. Okay, so for the bright color, I'm going to be using Sugarpill's U4EA and just a touch of Lime Crime's Diamond Crushers in Trip. So I just got this lipstick and I hate to say this, but I love this more than my Lime Crime liquid lipsticks. And that's my favorite formula, but I really think this is a better formula. It could just be this color, who knows? But this is my favorite formula overall out of all the liquid lipsticks I have. And it smells like lemon pound cake, lemon meringue pie. It just smells like lemon. And this is just such a cool color. See, like, how pretty is that color? It reminds me of like a peacock. Oh, my back. Okay, truly, I am obsessed with this color. This is definitely one of my favorite colors of lipsticks that I own. Like, it's so unique. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a tiny dab of this topper right in the middle so that there's just a little bit of glitter. Okay guys, I think we are all set. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was really fun to create. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.